Room divider is a kind furniture that can help you to make partition in your home. But the interesting part is room divider also has function as decorating stuff. You can easily use room divider as decorating stuff by adding little piece of wall art, for example by using interior wood pot and some plant to make natural accent in the room. In this video we will show you 30+ room divider design ideas to inspire you to make the best makeover on your living room, studio, apartment or office. Hope you enjoy. Are you enjoying the video? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your dream house. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss any future videos.